Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to print perfect 4x6 labels for eBay orders. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are trying to go ahead and print 4x6 labels for eBay orders. How do you actually go ahead and do so? Now the first thing that you need to do is that when you actually go and buy your label on eBay, this is what the purchase label page is going to look like. You want to click on this button here that says print format and then click on change. Next, select 4x6 and then click on save and then click on purchase shipping label. After you purchase the shipping label, go ahead and download it. And then this is what it's going to look like. So this right here is a PDF file. Go ahead and connect your thermal printer. So the thermal printer that I'm using is the iDPRT thermal printer. Connect this to your laptop and then click on Command P. And then for the print paper size, which is this tab right over here, you want to select 4x6. Now, I'll leave the link to this printer down below in the description, but go ahead and load your 4x6 thermal printer paper, and then go ahead and print your label. Now, with your thermal label printer printed, this is what it's going to look like. You simply just peel it off and slap it on to whatever package you have. So if you're shipping a Pokemon card, for example, you can just place it in there, tape it, and then put the label on top. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and print the perfect 4x6 labels for eBay orders. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.